morning, guys. So I am riding podium right now for Sarah's 9:30 Soul Survivor in Back Bay, and I'm nervous for a couple reasons. I've ridden podium for her twice before now, but I've never done Soul Survivor, so that is like really scary. And if you can tell, I'm like out of breath. I'm like walking really quickly. I'm almost there, but I don't want her to stress because I'm like running a little late and she's probably like, where's Gretchen? So yeah, and this is like just really like last minute and surprising because last night I was at the Luke Bryan concert, like going ham, singing, dancing, like wearing myself out. So I didn't go to bed till like 1 something, so I'm like really tired, but it's gonna be so fun. And there it is. I'm so nervous. And like Taylor and Max are so tired because they work out all week long, and I was like, you guys don't have to come. Luis is away, so it's just me. So nervous. Bye, Soul. I didn't even film in there. You guys can tell. So that way. Hi, Queen.
Hi.
Basically, my voice is gone. Even though I wasn't saying anything, that was just so tough. I honestly though,
Hi, sweaty.
I feel like I don't notice the difference when you're riding up between the 45 minutes or the hour. Well, it does feel longer, but when you're up there, like the 45 minutes feels shorter than normal. Like it feels like 30 minutes. And then that one felt like 45, but it was an hour, if that makes sense. That was so tough. This one girl that went to Maggie's Soul Cycle ride that I met and talked to forever there, she's so cute. She's like a doctor and from Vancouver. She's adorable. And she was in that class today. And we got to chat for a while. That was so fun. It was really tough. If you were there, you would have been like,
I would have died.
Yeah. I was like struggling. You know when? I hate when I get on a bike and there's like a puddle on the bottom of the bike because I'm like, someone in this class before me sweat all over this bike, but like it's fine. And that was me. Like I looked down towards the end and there was like a puddle from me on the ground. And my hands, I kept having to wipe my hands on my pants and my towel during the songs because my hands were like slipping on the little bars because I was so sweaty. That was so fun. Oh, and wait, I can say it right now. Guess what? So yesterday Maggie was saying this as an idea, and then I just talked to Sarah about it. Me and Maggie are gonna ride the podium together next Friday in the morning. Wanna come?
Sure.
Oh wait, do you have workout in the morning next Friday?
Yes.
It's at 9:30.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, maybe you can't come. But we're gonna ride the podium together, and we've always wanted to, and it's gonna be so fun, and I can't wait. So I bet, wait a minute. I don't think sign-ups have opened for that yet. So when you guys are seeing this, they're probably open. Friday, 9:30, Beacon Hill, Sarah. I don't know what day it is. Whatever this following week is. Hopefully you guys can see it in time and come. And it's gonna be so fun. Okay guys, Max just made me breakfast and it's so freaking good. I love bacon that's like basically burnt. Also, you guys can see our pool gets so crowded. So there's Taylor and our 2 chairs we just got to make sure we'd have a spot. Now it is pool time. I got this bathing suit from Kulani and I never wore it. This is like a different style than all my other ones. You can tell I'm so cold, my nipples are poking right through it. So don't mind that. But I really like the back. I like how the back is all open. If you can see, I think it's really fun. So yeah, time for some fun in the sun. It's been so cloudy here, so I'm so happy that it's sunny today. And now you can actually see our view since it's nice and sunny and not all cloudy. How pretty is Back Bay? I freaking love it. Hey girl. Hey guys, I literally was just gonna say that I just got out of the shower. Obviously I didn't because my hair is dry now. I literally have been so bad. I've been like dawdling on my phone. Max says I'm like the biggest toddler. I can just like look through Instagram all day long and it's really bad and I need to work on that bad habit. Is this lighting like okay in my new bathroom? I feel like the lighting is kind of down. Maybe sometimes I like bring out my ring light for fun. But what I wanted to do now is basically after the pool, I've had like a headache and I just feel like so drained. But I just feel like and I want to like make myself feel better. So I've been drinking a lot of water and I am going to go whoa. I'm going to go to the grocery soon with Taylor and Max, and we're going to get stuff for dinner. But I'm like, I want to feel like a human again and put on some makeup, because I like never wear makeup anymore. And sometimes you just feel good and you're like feeling yourself with the makeup. And I feel like I never even show makeup that much more in my videos. I feel like I used to more back in the day. But yeah, I like miss doing my makeup with you guys and talking and chit-chatting and stuff. So we're gonna do that right now. Remember when I was in Providence, I showed you guys my makeup for when I went to the Brown alumni campus dance weekend. Remember when I did that? Like, I realized how much I missed doing makeup. So anyway, we're gonna do a little makeup, but first I wanted to talk to you guys about brushes. So I've showed both of these brushes in my videos before. If you guys know, I have like a bunch of different kinds of brushes, but usually this is the Vanity Planet palette brush set, and you guys know I usually use these. I feel like just because they're like the classic like brush set that I'm used to, and I actually just bought this one for my mom because she always says she needs new brushes, so that's why I just grabbed this new one to show you. But I have mine like in my makeup thing over there. So yeah, normally I use those, but when I like remember about these, I wanted to talk to you guys about the Blend Party brushes. So sorry, I just grabbed them all funky, but they have some bigger ones for your face and smaller ones for your eyes, and I'm just obsessed with them. And honestly, I noticed a difference with how like flawless your makeup looks after you use them, because there's just so many little synthetic fibers. And I remember talking about these, maybe it was even last summer when I first received them, when I first started using them, and yeah, I really enjoyed them. And I just, again, like how good they are for buffing into your skin. So I'm gonna be using these. Normally I feel like I use the bigger ones because I really don't do like eye stuff anymore, but there are ones for your eyes if you're into that. We're gonna do really natural. I literally don't use like liquid that much anymore because it feels heavier on my skin. So I just do like a powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, and mascara. That's like all I normally do for like day to day. Now if I want to look like I have makeup on, sometimes I'll add some concealer or something if I want to look a little more, but you get the idea. So first we are going to start with this big one. My other favorite thing about these is, since there's so many bristles, the brush takes less of the makeup into the brush, if that makes sense. Like, less of your makeup is wasted by getting trapped in the brush because it like sits on top. So that's something I noticed about this. And like, makeup is so expensive, so it's better to go like this. And literally, I feel like these brushes, since it just like buffs the makeup into your skin, it makes the powder, even though it's not a liquid, it makes it so like flawless looking and almost like a liquid foundation, even though it's just a powder foundation. I always blend down my neck. And something else I wanted to tell you guys about is, I remember a long time ago when I first got them, I was reading reviews about them first, and someone said that they really liked how flexible the top part of the brush is, because it makes it feel a lot more like soft on your face and gentle. And some other of these really like dense synthetic fiber brushes are like hard, and you feel like they're just like hard and tough on your face. So that's another really good thing about these Blend Party brushes. Oh, before I forget to mention, I've been going on and on. I will have them linked down below for you guys to check them out if you're interested, and you can use my code GGBLEND for 70% off, which is obviously crazy. That's like 70%. So normally, since it's a big brush set, it's $100, but with the 70% off, you'll get it for 30 bucks, which is like so great. And I feel like at MAC or Sephora or any of that, you can literally get like one brush for 30 bucks. So like, you might as well just get these, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now we're gonna do some bronzer. I like using bigger brushes for bronzer because I just kind of put it everywhere, but I might use this more like medium one. Oh yeah, you see that? I like lots of bronzer, and I like how this makes it easy to put a lot on it at once, so I don't have to keep like layering it. Oh yeah, like I went to like the pool today, but I feel like I didn't even get that tan, so this is gonna trick everyone into thinking I actually did get tan. Okay, honestly, we're gonna use this little one to make my nose snatched right now. Okay, I don't know how to do makeup or like what I'm even talking about, but I just love putting bronzer on my nose. Boys, do any of your boyfriends play Fortnite like all day long, or like they wish they could but you don't want them? I'm like, please be a normal human. Okay, now we're gonna use this a little bit bigger one with my NARS blush. I feel like I'm holding this so like intense. like a little kid holding a crayon. And then normally with highlighter, I use my fingers to make it more like, but I feel like since these brushes are so dense, I can just use these. Oh, this little skinny one might be nice for a little highlighty action. And I can go like that. My favorite thing is nose highlighter. I just love it. Oh. I don't know why. I feel like it makes your nose look cute. All you missed in your absence was me curling my eyelashes, which is like, oh my god, I almost just poked out my eyeball. Which is like, you know how it's done. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. People always ask me now what mascara I use. I've always used this, but I feel like my eyelashes just started getting longer. I swear with like face serums that I'm using and like oils, I feel like also make my eyelashes longer. But I did use an eyelash serum for a short amount of time after I got my extensions taken off, and it was called the Roden & Fields eyelash serum, because I met one of you guys and it was this girl and she had the most beautiful eyelashes, but I could tell she had nothing on them. They were just curled, and I'm like, what the heck, why do your eyelashes look like that? And she was like, you need to get the Roden & Fields eyelash serum. And I looked it up and it was like $200, and I was like, oh my god, I can't buy this. So then I didn't for the longest time, but I kept thinking about how beautiful her eyelashes were. So I finally did. I feel like it helped. I used it for like a month and then I lost it at Coachella. So I haven't used it in a while. Oh my gosh, this way is so much better. You can see everything. You can use GG Blend to get 70% off of the Blend Party makeup brushes. And then you can look just like me. But yeah, I just put on a little bit more mascara. This was probably like a coat and a half, not even like a full 2 coats. And they've been looking so good recently. So it's very natural. Sometimes I do some tinted eyebrow gel because my eyebrows are like a little crazy, but this is good for now. And let's go grocery. Now we grocery shop. Oh, we're coming out this weird way of our building because we were putting cardboard boxes where cardboard boxes go. And Whole Foods is right here. They're soft. Probably because I showered and I feel like that makes them softer. And guys, we're using a reusable bag. I always forget these, but actually when we moved into our building, they gave us this one. So, yay for reusable bag. Okay guys, Max is gonna show you my outfit because I think it's really cute. Bag Dior. Oh, I just told you we got this Whole Foods bag. My Gucci slides. This whole outfit I just got from Princess Polly. Lucy took this white crop top for me. It's called, I want to say it's called the Easy, no that's wrong, the Polly tee. Something like that, like their basic white crop top. I'm obsessed with it, and I have it in black. And these black little biker shorts with the white strip. I think Max thought they were weird at first, but I love them. I think they're so nice. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you what we're getting. We look so healthy, but it's because we're like grilling a bunch of vegetables. So we got a summer squash, zucchini, peppers, asparagus to grill, and then we got chicken, and Max got a steak. Oh boy. And then he likes spring mix because I already have spinach that I'm gonna eat. And then I went and I grabbed these chocolate bars because Maggie's always saying that she loves them and that they're really good. So I'm gonna try them, and that's like everything we got. Basically, guys, I think my issue is I just had snacks for lunch because now I'm going ham, eating food before dinner, which is bad. I just tried to square both of these and they're both so yummy. I love them. They're like expensive. They're like $7 each, but I feel like because there's only a couple ingredients in each, it's like worth it. They're like healthy. And then this is like the opposite of that. This is like more unhealthy. I've never tried the peanut butter and co peanut butter, but I love peanut butter, and I just opened this and tried it for the first time, and I think it's my new favorite one. But then I looked at the ingredients: peanuts, cane sugar, palm oil, salt. So that's why it tastes so good, because there's peanut butter in it. But it's like not too liquidy and not too stiff. It's like right in between. And I can't stop eating with this spoon. Woohoo! We found an open grill because so many people use the grills here. We were gonna go to the ones down here by the pool. I don't know if you can even see. Yeah. But they were like all taken. I can't even see, but you can see because I was just holding out my camera. And we saw people up here, but I think it just opened up. So now we can grill. And these veggies look so beautiful. They got all like moved around. But yum. Yum. They look so yummy. Also, you guys, wait till you see this. Hang on. It's so freaking pretty up here. I'm obsessed. And Max never came to the rooftop before, so it's his first time. Also, fun fact, I can see Maggie's building from here. I was just Snapchatting her and I was like, hi neighbor. I'm cold, you're warm from the grill. You guys, look at some of our zucchinis fell through the cracks, if you can see them down there. Yummy! Woo! Guys, look at now. I feel like the sky's even changed more. It's so pretty. I love this place. Okay, sorry I'm being annoying, but I can't get over how pretty the view is. Thank you, Grill Master, for making us dinner. It looks so yummy. Okay, you guys, we had our first guests here at our new apartment. It was so fun. Hello, you can focus. It was some of Max's hockey friends, well, real life friends too. And he just said, thanks for letting me let his friends come over for a play date. And we went over there on the rooftop across the way. And it was so fun, and we crashed this party. It was someone's birthday party, and they're all dressed up so fancy. And they're like, we have so much food, come eat food. So we like went in and hung out with them and ate food with them.
They were so nice. It was very fun.
So sweet, and they were so dressed up and so cute. And we were like, we are way underdressed.
Their wardrobes.
Yeah. They had like the coolest suits, and then like red shoes, really, and like a Gucci belt, and like a velvety like suit. Like they had the best style. That was so cool. So we crashed a birthday party, and now it's 11:20, and I was like, I really could like eat food. Like we were talking about bagels, and I was like, I could eat a bagel. And then I remember we had cinnamon buns. I don't know if I've had this type. Yeah, I have.
The deluxe kind.
Oh, deluxe.
Or grands. So
they're like bigger?
I think so.
I don't think I like that kind as much as like normal kind.
Oh, I messed up.
No.
I tried surprising you. They were the only ones I had.
No, I like that type. I feel like I normally just get, I don't even know what kind. These ones I think are funny because when you take them out, the top has just like squares of cinnamon all over it. Do you know what I'm talking about? How they look, but then they end up tasting fine. So I'm really excited. If any of you want to come hang out with us in sweatpants and make cinnamon buns, you're welcome too, because it's really fun. Okay, something's weird with my camera. The lens is being weird. But anyway, I have never had this kind because these are massive. I don't know if you can tell. So maybe these are my favorite kind, and now I'm gonna love them. You all tucked in. Are you watching Fortnite videos?
No.
I hear them building forts. I knew it. Oh my gosh, my lens keeps just closing and it keeps saying lens error, and this camera is so banged up, and I know I need to get a new one. I'm so scared that that's happening. This stinks. I hate getting new ones, they're so expensive. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just had a fun day and wanted to bring you along with me. Soul this morning was crazy. And then what else did we do? We went to the pool. I showed you guys my makeup, my all natural everyday makeup. We went grocery shopping, we grilled, we hung out with friends, we ate cinnamon buns. It was a day.
Woo!
Woo! Okay, love you. Bye.
Love you,
See you in my
bye.
next video.